We cannot walk away without that. That's why the role of a church, as I close, and community is very important. Because the church becomes a place where healing is found and no judgment is offered from here. A place of restoration. A place that they will not be rejected. You see, I told somebody, Christians, stop praying against gayism. Christians looked at me and say, what? I say, yeah. Why do you pray against gayism? You don't pray against it. You go tell them about your Jesus. When you tell them about your Jesus,